Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, we're going to be talking about action number 1 in System Software and Compiler Design Lab, which is single pass assembler for SAP. So basically, what this program does is the same as an assembler. It converts all the object code into machine language, and I've written a Python script which is the same. So I'll just go through the sample input and output first. After that, I'll go on with the program. So these are the sample input. So basically, we'll be using 3 text files and 1 output text file. So first text file is input, and it has the machine language code. Sorry, it has the object code. And after that, I have the op tab text, which has some of the values and their corresponding number values. And I'm having sim tab text file, which again has symbols. It again has the values for the symbols. And after that, I have the result text file, which has the result of the following code, machine language result. So this is the program. This is script that I have written, which does the same. So in this one, initially I'm initializing all the variables to 0 and blanks, and after that I'm opening the output text file in write mode in output variable. First I'm opening the sim tab text file, and I'm taking all the values and adding it to the simval a list called simval, and in the next iteration I have given, sorry, not the next iteration, in the next block of code I'm opening the op tab text, and I'm saving all the values from that, all the lines to opval list. After that I'm opening the input file finally. So in this file I'm taking all these files and I'm checking. First I'll split all the lines. I'll split all the lines. First take I've taken all the whole text file, and I'm separating each line, and after that I'm separating each line into each word of the line. That's what the tokens are. So in at this part, all the words, individual words splitted on the space, blank space is splitted, and in the tokens we'll have all the words after splitting, after this part. So after that I'm going through the token one by one, and I'm checking whether the token is start. If that is start, then it is the start of the program, and that will have the header record. So and I'm doing all the things that is required to do the header record thing. Header record value. So first I'm taking start add, and I'm having the memory value for the starting, and I'm having it in the start add, and in the end record we have to have the starting memory value again for referencing to the start. So I've added that to the end record, which is basically, it's not, I'm not inserting the values yet. I'm just storing it in different string variables. So in end record string variable, I already added the starting address. So end record is basically completed. So this is the end record value. So after that, I'm converting all the remaining lines into the header record, and I'm writing the header record value into the output.txt file. And after that I'm going through the tokens one by one, and I'm sitting within the opval, and I'm creating a temp record file. First I'm creating a new record file, and I'm opening it to the temp record file. So in temp record file, I'm splitting it one by one with the help of that operator symbol. And after that I'm creating a text record, which is basically text record starting 00, adding the start add value, the starting address, again separating it 0, then the hex of the values, and then I'm adding the temp record which we are creating in that previous loop. So after that, this is the text record, this is finalized, and header record is already written into it. So now I'm inputting text record into that file, and I'm giving \n so that the program goes into the next line. And after that, the last one, I'm writing the end record, which we have already created in this file, in this line, and then I'm closing the output file. So that's how this program works. So I'll demonstrate it with the sample input as well. So this is sample input. These are the text files, and this is the result. First I'll open the input text file. So this is the input, and as you can see the output is blank now. So in this one, copy start. So in all these is same as the one in the sample input. So the output should match this thing. I'm gonna execute it now. As you can see, the program has been executed and it matches the sample output that's given in that question as well. So the program works as intended. So yeah, that's it for this exercise. Exercise number one in simulation of simulation of single pass assembler in system software and compiler design. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.